Here it is, guys, the Dark Horse SC in the flesh. I honestly think it looks absolutely fantastic. Look at all the carbon you see on the hood, the vents throughout the grille, the side skirts, everything looks fantastic. Here it is pictured in the Avalanche gray. Looks really clean, especially with those dark gunmetal wheels and the blue brakes. Unfortunately, we weren't able to capture too much inside of the vehicle, but as you can see here, this is the non-track package. I really do like that wing a lot. It looks like a more aggressive version than even the Dark Horse one. See, here's my favorite part of the car. The rear diffuser with the paint match looks amazing. Here it is with the wheels, the brakes, the nice Ford in the center. I think this car looks really good in person, and the front end actually looks really sharp in this color. It comes together, kind of has that Stormtrooper look. I think that it's a very good looking car. I really hope that Ford doesn't price this one out of the ballpark for a lot of us enthusiasts. Like, look at the stance on that thing. The grille, the dark pony looks awesome. Here's the GTD. My God, look at the stance of that car. It is so wide. It looks like a Raptor width-wise. It's absolutely ridiculous, and I'm obviously biased with this color. I love yellow splash metallic, and it looks so glorious here. The fenders are absolutely ridiculous. You know, I know the GTD is slower than the ZR1, but there's no denying this is a masterpiece of a car. Look at those vents. Look at the futuristic wheel design. The car is absolutely breathtaking on all fronts. Specifically, dang, that wide body just looks immaculate. I don't know how I feel about the red brakes on that. Kind of looks McDonald's-y to me, but at the same time, it does look really cool. So here's a peek, guys.